From the Faculty Senate, welcome to How Cool Is That? This week's topic is about using your intro discussion board to increase student engagement. Today's guest lecturer is Professor Neil Mairs, marketing professor who's been teaching here since 2010. Thank you. I love using SpeedGrader to grade homework. I think it's a highly efficient tool. The only problem with it is that the name that the system presents to you is often not the name the student wants you to refer to them as. With over 150 students this semester, there is no way I can remember individual preference without some type of guide or help. Calling somebody Joseph if they prefer Joe or another nickname says, I don't see it as important to see you as an individual and seriously jeopardizes your ability to establish a connection. Further, it gets even more complicated as we get into gender recognition or equity issues. I found a great simple solution. Among other things, my intro discussion board asks a student to upload an image and asks how they would like to be referred to by their classmates. So the solution is, first, I take that intro discussion and I pin it to the top of my discussion tab in Canvas. That gives me quick, ready access to it every time I grade homework. Then I open the intro discussion board on SpeedGrader and leave it open sitting on my desktop. I then open up SpeedGrader for the homework assignment and leave the two up next to each other side by side with separate tabs. That allows me to flip back and forth as I'm going through and grading the homework. Not only does this prompt me on the appropriate name to use, but that refreshing of my memory with facts and information on the student allows me to ask them questions and engage them in conversations about the information they've shared. So in addition to providing a quick reminder of name preference, this refreshes my memory on other facts and allows me to be more conversational. It also has helped identify gender recognition and other inclusivity cues and has been a blessing there as well. Let me know if you need any more details on this or other issues, and I hope we can collaborate again in the future. Bye for now.